In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Wizz Air Discount Club membership. To get started, open the Wizz Air website or launch the Wizz Air mobile app, whichever is more convenient for you. Once you are there, log into your account before you begin booking. This is important because the membership and the discounted pricing need to be connected to your account during the purchase process. After logging in, go to the flights section and start searching for your trip. Enter your departure city and destination. Then choose the travel times that work best for you. After that, add the number of passengers traveling, and when everything looks correct, click Start Booking. This will take you to the booking page, where you will see the available pricing options. At this stage, pay close attention, because this is where the Wizz Discount Club option appears. You will usually see both the regular price and the Wizz Discount Club price displayed side by side. To buy the membership as part of your booking, select the Wizz Discount Club price. Once you choose that option, the system will move you forward and let you select your package. You will typically choose between Wizz Smart, Wizz Go, or Wizz Plus. These bundles come with different extras, so it's a good idea to take a moment and review what each one includes. For example, some packages may offer baggage allowances, seat selection, or more flexibility if your plans change. If you usually travel light and want to keep things simple, Wizz Smart may be enough. If you prefer a bit more convenience or added travel benefits, Wizz Go or Wizz Plus could be a better fit. Choose the package that best matches your travel style and your budget. As soon as the club price is selected, you should see the total cost of your flight and any bags in your cart go down instantly. That immediate price adjustment helps you confirm that the membership discount is being applied correctly before you pay. From there, simply complete the payment for both your flight and the membership fee. Make sure to review your booking details one last time before finishing the purchase so everything is accurate. One helpful thing to keep in mind is that the membership lasts for exactly 12 months from the day you buy it. If you travel with family or friends, you can often recover the membership cost very quickly, sometimes even on your first trip, because of the savings on fares and baggage. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.